What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mirrorless cameras through extensive research and testing. I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices like the video comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Nikon Z6 II. Best for photography-focused Nikon fans. The full-frame Nikon Z6 ruled as our top camera for a while. Although this replacement continues to deliver superb performance, especially for those wishing to move up from Nikon DSLRs, the Z6 II has lagged slightly behind the top mirrorless cameras as a result of its modest improvements. However, due to its overall consistency, it is still highly recommended. The inclusion of a second X-Speed 6 processor brings a number of performance enhancements, including a new burst shooting speed of 14 frames per second. In our tests, the autofocus of the Nikon Z6 much improved, especially with regard to animal eye/face detection. The Z6 also includes a much-needed USB SD card slot in addition to the already present XKD/CF Express slot. Video does currently lag behind hybrid competitors like the Sony A7 IV somewhat. However, it completely merits its position at the top table for photographers because to its tried-and-true 24MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, which offers excellent high ISO performance and the greatest handling available. Number 4. Canon EOS R7. A great all-rounder if you don't mind the lack of lenses. The Canon EOS R7 is comparable to one of the full-frame EOS R cameras made by the industry giant, but with a smaller APS-C sensor. It has excellent power for the price, especially if you enjoy shooting sports or wildlife scenes, because it features 15 frames per second burst speeds, or 30 fps if you switch to the electronic shutter. The EOS R7 can achieve these speeds, according to our tests, but because it lacks the deep buffers found on full-frame siblings like the EOS R6, it can't maintain those speeds for as long. The EOS R7 features comfortable handling, Canon's newest subject tracking AF technology, 2 USB card slots, and more, making it a camera that will also lure pro EOS R series users as a second body in addition to rattling off frames of rushing animals. The only drawback? For the APS-C sensor in the EOS R7, Canon has only produced 2 native lenses to date. However, more should be on the way, and while you wait, you can always attach current RF lenses or convert older EF lenses from Canon DSLRs. Number 3. Canon EOS R6. Perfect for Canon fans who need a modern mirrorless camera. If you own a Canon DSLR and have been waiting to make the move to mirrorless, the EOS R6 is the camera for you. It's also a very worthy upgrade from Canon's early mirrorless launches like the EOS R2. One of the main reasons is the EOS R6's excellent autofocus. There's no other camera in this class that can beat its dual pixel CMOS FI system, which brings excellent subject detection, including animals and tracking. The EOS R6 is a big improvement on Canon's original mirrorless models across the board too, with impressive in-body image stabilization, IBS, speedy 12 fps burst shooting when using the mechanical shutter, and decent 4K/60 video skills too. We found that the EOS R6 recording limits and rolling shutter issues make it more of a stills camera than a video workhorse, but as long as that 20MP resolution is enough for you, it's undoubtedly one of Canon's best ever cameras. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T4. The best alternative to full-frame cameras. Looking for a mirrorless camera that's equally comfortable shooting stills in 4K video? Few cameras do it better than the Fujifilm X-T4, which is both smaller and more affordable than its full-frame rivals. The best APS-C camera so far, our tests found that it serves up a compelling blend of great build quality, class-leading image quality, and a fun shooting experience. However, it's worth noting that the Fujifilm X-T5 is now available and promises to raise the bar even higher. We're still completing our testing of that new camera, but the early evidence is that its new 40MP sensor will make it a serious contender in the space. We also remain fans of the Fujifilm X-T3, which is still on sale and worth considering if you mainly shoot stills. The X-T4 took the series to new heights thanks to the inclusion of in-body image stabilization, IBS, a new battery, and a new, quieter shutter. During our shoots, these created an enjoyable shooting experience and produced results that trump the X-T4's rivals for low-light performance and resolved detail. We'd have liked a slightly deeper grip, and the IBS system isn't quite up to Olympus standards, but it's a big bonus for both shooting both stills and video, and tops off a fine all-rounder that now has an excellent range of lenses. Number 1. Sony A7 IV, a hybrid star for almost any situation. The Sony A7 IV is a truly modern hybrid camera. It's overkill for beginners and more expensive than its stills-focused competition, but it's also a versatile workhorse for anyone who wants to shoot a mixture of photos and video. A price bump means it no longer occupies the same entry-level price bracket as its popular predecessor, but upgrades like 10-bit video and a Bions XR processor make it a much more powerful option. In our tests, we found the A7 IV to have class-leading autofocus skills, plus a seemingly endless buffer depth, which means the camera can almost indefinitely maintain its maximum burst speeds without any slowdown. When using a CF Express card, it swallowed 9 EPs for over a minute or 6-7 FEPs when continuously shooting RAW. The A7 IV's new 33MP full-frame sensor doesn't dramatically improve image quality over the A7 IV. The higher resolution also means fairly prevalent noise above ISO 6400. And there's a heavy crop on 4K footage. But as a complete package, the Sony A7 IV is a solid all-rounder, which could be the only mirrorless camera you'll ever need. Here are the top best mirrorless cameras on the market today. Look for the links in the description box below if there's another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase. Let us know in the comments section if you would like to see a future review. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the PentaView channel.